Airport security tips. What's up everybody? In this video I am going to share with you tips to make your life through TSA a lot easier and a lot faster. If you are new to this channel, welcome! My name is Saloua. I'm a full-time digital nomad and an online business coach, and I have been traveling the world full-time for the last 3 years. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you tips and tricks that I've learned along my journey of traveling on how you can make your life at TSA or airport security a lot faster and a lot better. Alright, so let's get started. Number one, if you wish to save time at the airport security, get TSA pre-check and global entry. You go online to make an appointment to one of the offices. They have over 300 in the country. Once you go there, they're gonna do a background check, take your fingerprint, you'll have a small interview. It costs less than $100 and it lasts 5 years. So you won't even have to go through the line, because once you are pre-approved, they don't even check your bag, you don't have to take your shoes, you just go straight through TSA. That's a good way to save time, eh? My next tip for you is to come early. That's simple as that. The rule of thumb is 1 hour if you don't have to check bag, an hour and a half, 90 minutes if you do have to check bag on the domestic flights, and for international flights it would be between 2 to 3 hours. One time I arrived at JFK airport on time and there were at least 100 if not 200 people lined in front of me, and that was just to check the bags. So you want to make sure you come early, especially during the holidays, so that way you're not taking the risk to miss your flight. And if the line is huge for the bag section, it will be huge during the security section. So you have to make sure to come early enough so you don't have to deal with all that. The best thing would be to have no luggage and TSA pre-check. Now you're golden. Tip number 3, when you go through TSA or Transportation Security Administration, do not look obviously nervous and sweaty and shaken, because you're simply gonna attract more attention and then you're probably gonna get screened again. And if that happens, it might just take you more time to get through your plane. So calm, easy breezy. Remember that the main purpose of TSA is to protect us and to make sure that no weapons get in the planes. That's the ultimate goal, is to look for weapons to make sure we are all safe. Tip number 4. Remember to empty your bottle of water. Back in the day, we didn't have any trash next to the TSA, so when I forgot my bottle of water, I had to redo the line, empty my bottle of water, or drink it, jug it all at once, and then I could go through. That's a simple thing, but just make sure that you empty all your liquid, and you can only keep the liquid that you can have in your Ziploc bag, which follow the rule 311. I made a whole video on what you can and cannot bring through security, and I will leave the link down below. Number 5, wear easy to take off shoes. That might be a simple thing, but it happened to me as well when I was wearing really high-tie boots and I completely forgot, and they had lace on top of that, and it took me forever to take them off. So wear something very easy that you can take off and put back on, and make sure you wear socks, because when you go through security, you don't want your feet to touch that dirty floor of the airport. Number 6, if you have a lot of hair, like a lot of hair or dreadlocks or anything like that, and they are in a bun, it would be a good idea to just let them loose, because sometimes the security at the airport will search your hair. It actually happens to me. My hair very curly and sometimes I put them in a bun, but when I go through security I take them down, because they can pattern your hair just to make sure you don't hide anything in there. They're doing that to detect potentially harmful objects you might hide in your hair, so it's a security thing. Make sure you take your electronics outside of your carry-on and put them in a bin. You should have separate bins for each electronic items. If you have a laptop, it goes into one bin. If you have an iPad, it goes into a different bin. So make sure you do that. My next tip, number 8. Be careful of sharp items, even if they are not dangerous. For example, in my case, I have a bunch of tripods in my backpack. So what happened one time is I had to undergo screening another time because they find my tripod and they thought this was a weapon. So now I'm just taking my tripod out and I put it in a bin as well, because under the screen they might just think it's a sharp object. So just be careful of that. And if you do have many of these, just put them on the top of your bag so it's easy to take off. Otherwise they will open your whole bag, and you know how they do over there. They just look, and they'll be like, here, you finish it, you fix it. And my last tip for you is if you do have any question about TSA, you're not sure what to bring, you can simply contact them and they will respond to you. You go on tsa.gov or you can go on their Facebook page and they have a chat box there when you can ask your direct questions and they'll answer you right away. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if I missed anything and if there's a specific topic you want me to cover. Again, thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe. We put a lot of hard work to make these videos, so please give us a little thumbs up and a like. Like and thumbs is the same. So please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friend. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Woo! C'est fini. C'est une photo, mais on va rien voir.